Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Strava. We click on settings here. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Strava app and you will click here in this window. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.